1 flight plan route, if able to continue on to Tampere, Finland. 0703 for Taber 11. We're clear direct the tanker at this time. There's ONAV rendezvous with PAX 93, thank you, sir. Come on, we'll go. Let's go, 20 degrees left. I'm G-limited today, so I can't square it up. Say that again? Yeah, we're just carrying a bunch of equipment here for the exercise. Taber 11, then we'll go, sir. Taber 11 is inside. You guys have to turn. Classic. Island Trail, we got the PAX 93 in sight. Hey, fire brother. Alrighty, we'll send it. Go on that disconnect.
I don't think so. I don't think you broke a limit. It just went into a no pumping condition.
Old Taber 11 latitude is complete with PAX 93. Request a turn on flight plan route. In the climb to flight level 310. 110703. Come on, we'll go. 10 works, sir, and request direct written Sue if you can give it to us. Level 310. Taber 11 direct.
We don't know any more than you do, sir, but we're scheduled to maintain this airspace for about 2 hours, sir. Maintain 290. The winds are quite strong and they're making it difficult for us to maintain the Ginny boundaries. Is there any additional area that we would be able to fly in here so that we can stay within that protected airspace? The westbound portion is the part that is more difficult for us. If there's any additional space to the west on that side, that would be helpful. And 3 copies. Is there any wiggle room on the